Hello, 10th graders. How are you doing today? This is Ms. Regine from Knowledge School. So this lesson will be about practice 2A solution and also section review 2-1 on page 37. So let's start. So practice 2A is about phases of matter and force among their molecules. So this was practice for section 2-1. So the question 1 says the equilibrium distance between two neighboring atoms of a given element is 1.2 times 10 power negative 10 meter. Okay, will the interatomic force be an attractive or repulsive one when the distance between atoms is A 1 times 10 power negative 10 meter or B 1.4 times 10 power negative 10 meter. So which equilibrium distance must be 1.2 times 10 power negative 10 meter? So answer is for A is repulsive force. Okay, it is a repulsive force. Why repulsive force? Because the distance between them is smaller than the equilibrium distance. Smaller than, okay, smaller than equilibrium distance. B. It is attractive force. Why it's attractive force? Because the distance between them is greater than the equilibrium distance. So the distance must be greater than the equilibrium distance to be attractive force between them, okay? If it's smaller than equilibrium distance, will be repulsive force. Okay, understand? If you have any question, you can ask me when you have a live lesson. Question 2. What are the 3 types of bonds among atoms? Are these bonds due to electric force or due to gravitational attraction? Okay, the answer, we have 3 types of bond. Okay, one of them ionic bonding, and then covalent bonding, and also molecular bonding. Okay, and also says that are these bonds due to electric force or due to gravitational attraction? We said that before this lesson, we said that these bonds are made up due to electric forces. Okay, there is electric forces between them. And also we have a section review, and which is on page 37 also. So the question says, does matter change from one phase into another due to exchanging of mass or charge or energy? Justify your answer. You say due to exchanging of energy. Okay, no mass. There is no mass or charge. It is due to exchanging of energy with it is both type, mechanical energy and also thermal energy. Okay, and questions 2. Repulsion between atoms at very close distance is due to interaction between their electronic loads. Is this repulsion due to the fact that electrons are very small to their charge or to their mass? Justify your answer. So you say this repulsion due to the fact that electrons are very small Okay, so number 3, question 3, comment on the force distance curve between atoms in the 3 following regions. I just will say that in a simple way, that there is R close to or equal to R not. Okay, which this mean R close to or equal to R not is equilibrium. Okay, which if for example we have 2 atoms and the distance between them equals or close, will be equilibrium. Okay, so R close to 0, repulsive, they are very long. Okay, R close to, R is infinity, you say attractive force. Okay, so we have a question. Why scientists assume that 90% of the universe is plasma? You have to keep also this question, okay? It is important. The answer is because plasma occurs at very high temperature, which the most of universe's mass is contained of stars, that their temperatures is very high. So we all know the stars are their temperature are very high, and that why we call them plasma. Okay, so there's a lot of stars around us, okay, around the earth and around the universe. Okay, student, if you have any question on this lesson, so you can ask me when we have live lesson, and have a nice day.